Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel. In the video நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறது top 15 5 mark questions chapter 2 numbers and sequenceல 10th maxல public exam study planல இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Before that I would like to tell you that in our description link we have given social science examination, public examination, all study material is there, and as well as for science is also there. You please go through that and get a benefit of that. Description link and the video lo kuduthirkom, links and description la irukku. Please go through that link. Moyarchi plus payirchi which is equal to vetri. I always say that moyarchi and payirchi irundha you will be able to get a vetri, my dear children. So in the thervu en vaalkayin sirandha thervaga irukkum endru enni ovvoru thervayum eludum. Make a habit to think that every exam will be the best exam of my life. The journey towards your dream has just begun. So you are going to write a public examination. That is the one that you are going to write, and you will be getting a benefit of that one. So let us go to the 10th standard maths chapter 2 numbers and sequence, top 15 most important 5 mark questions. The first one is so chapter 2 question number 1, example 2.29. In an AP, sum of 4 consecutive terms is 28 and the sum of their squares is 276. Find the 4 numbers. இந்த கேள்வி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாம்ல வந்திருக்கு, as well as revision exams and quarterly இந்த கேள்வி வந்திருக்கு. So which is treated to be a very important for your public examination. So please make note of that. And before that I want to tell you that we have given all social science study material in our material in the description. Link is also available. You can get a benefit of that. And let us go to the second question. The second question is exercise 2.5 7th question, that is if 9 times 9 times is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. So I once again repeat, if 9 times 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. So let us go to the question number 3, my dear children. So question number 3 la pathina exercise 2.5 la the sum of 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms in solranga. So what you have to write is these 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. So find the 3 terms adha mattum namba kandupidikanum. Let us go to the question number 4. So question number 4 is exercise 2.5 la 12th sum. The ratio of 6th and 8th term of an AP is 7:9. Find the ratio of 9th term to 13th term. So idhula pathina ungalku 2.5 la ungalku 4 kelli varudhu. So this exercise to be a very important exercise for chapter number 2, my dear children. Let us go to the next question, question number 5. Example 2.34. The 13th term of an AP is 3 and the sum of first 13 terms is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of first 21 terms. அதாவது 13வது டேர்ம்ல இருக்கிற AP வந்து 3 ஆன்சர் and the sum of first 13 terms is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of first 21 terms என்றத கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. Next is question number 6. Example 2.36. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. This is very important. அதாவது natural numbers 300 ல இருந்து 600 குள்ள இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு which are divisible by 7 அதை வந்து நம்ம சொல்றாங்க, நம்மள எழுத சொல்லி. So you make note of that and read this one accordingly, my dear children. And next is question number 7. The question number 7 is exercise 2.6 la 5th question. The 104th term of and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms என்றாங்க. அதாவது 104th term வந்து உங்களுக்கு 4th term ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்தது வந்து 125 ஒன்று, another one is 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms in கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் இந்த டேர்ம் கண்டுபிடிச்சி sum of 35th டேர்முக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம பிளான் பண்ணி படிக்கணும். Then let's go to question number 8. That question number 8 is in a geometric progression, the fourth term is 8 by 9 and the seventh term is 64 by 243. This is very important because this GP question normally they will ask regularly, and also it has come frequently also it has come. So please make note of that. Example 2.43 la in a geometric progression the fourth term is 8 by 9 and the seventh term is 64 by 243 and find the geometric progression. So the next one is question number 9. Exercise 2.7 la sixth sum. அது என்னன்னா in a GP the ninth term is 32805 and sixth term is 1215. Find the 12th term. So இதில் என்னன்னா எக்ஸசைஸ் 2.7ல உங்களுக்கு சிக்ஸ்த் கேள்வி, அதாவது 2.5 பார்த்துருந்தோம் நம்ம, அதுக்கப்புறம் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸ் பார்த்தா இப்போ 2.7 வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ ஜிபியில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நைன்த் டேர்ம் இஸ் 232805 and sixth term is 1215. Find the 12th term வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. So the next one is question number 10. Example 2.44. The product of three consecutive terms of a geometric progression is 344 and their sum is 91 by 3. Find the three terms என்றாங்க. அதாவது ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் த்ரீ கான்சிக்யூட்டிவ் நம்பர்ஸில் உங்களுக்கு ப்ரொக்ரெஷன்ஸில் இருக்கிறது இஸ் 343 அண்ட் தேர் சம் இஸ் 91 by 3 என்றாங்க. ஃபைண்ட் த த்ரீ டேர்ம்ஸ், மூணு டேர்ம்ஸை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ ஜிபியோட டேர்ம் எடுத்து எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் வந்து சம் வந்து 91 by 3ன்றது நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் my dear children. So you have to find three terms. The next one is question number 11. Exercise 27 2.7 adala ninth sum in a GP the product of three consecutive terms. I once again repeat, the product of three consecutive terms is 27 and the sum of product of two terms taken in at a time is 57 by 2. Find the three terms, மூணு terms கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. So I'll repeat, exercise 2.7 ninth sum in a GP the product of three consecutive terms is 27 and the sum of the product of two terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find three terms of GP. That is GP la irukra number three terms நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So let us go to the question number 12. So question number 12 is example 2.51. Find the sum to n terms of series 5 plus 55 plus 555. This is a very important. I would like to tell you, this question will normally comes frequently. You have to make use of this and get benefit of that. I'll once again repeat, this is very important. This is treated to be a very important question. So you have to plan and read this accordingly. This is very important, my dear children. Let us go to the next one. 13th one is also same thing like exercise 2.8. The sixth one is find the sum to n terms of the series. That is, the first one is 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus up to n terms. The sum to n terms of the series is 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 up to n terms. The second one is 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus up to n terms. So these are the two. Is also a very important question, my dear children. So with this I hope இந்த ஆன்சர் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும், இந்த questions எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். I'll once again repeat, for geometry, for geography, civics, history, economics, all important study material is already available in my description. Link is also attached, and as well as science subject, physics, chemistry, biology, all study materials also available. You may please go through that and get benefit of that, my dear children. It is already there in the description link. You can very well see those things and get benefit of that, my dear children. Let us go to the example 2.56. Find the sum of 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square up to 28 square. ஸோ 15 ஸ்கொயர்ல இருந்து 16 17 போயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அதில் 28 ஸ்கொயர்னா நம்ம வந்து அந்த ஸ்கொயர் ஃபார்முலா அடாப்ட் பண்ணி அதுக்கான ஆன்சரை நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், மை டியர் சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ ஐ திங்க் திஸ் வில் பி a very important question. You please make note of that. And the next, last and final one is question number 15, exercise 2.9 sixth one. Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter up to 24 centimeter. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? So Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter up to 24 centimeter. How much area can be decorated with these color? So please make note of that and get a benefit of this question, my dear children. So read accordingly, my dear children. Thank you so much, and please share and subscribe to the Tirumala Max YouTube channel and forward to your friends also about this channel. And I wish you all success in your examination. Stay tuned for more exam updates which will help you to get a very good mark. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye, children.